this is an introduction to some lightsaber terminology that you'll need to know if you get into the hobby of custom lightsabers, of collecting them, displaying them, all that. So let's start at the top. We have the blade up here, and then this whole part is called the hilt. And then right here is the emitter. At the very top, there are some model lightsabers or some model hilts where the emitter is removable, or you can exchange it for a different emitter if you want. This specific model, the Initiate V4 by Ultrasabers, the emitter is not removable, but it's still called the emitter. Then the middle part is called the body. On the body we have the switch. So this style switch is an AV switch. That's how you activate the LED light. Now this other model is called the guarded switch. Finally, you get to the very bottom of the saber hilt, and this is the pommel. And the pommel will unscrew, and you can swap it out. You know, if you find a different pommel that you'd like to put on there, you can swap that out. Or if you have two of these and you want to combine them into a cool double-bladed saber, then you would screw in a coupler on both ends like this. Also on the inside, you have, well, you can't see it very well, there's a battery pack in here. And that's where you have the 4 AAA batteries if you have the standard setup of the lightsaber. Okay, so let's put the pommel back and then turn this over. And on this side, you have right here a very important piece called the blade retention screw. And that is the screw that holds the blade into place. There are some models where there'll actually be 2 blade retention screws, so you would unscrew both. If you want to take the blade out, you might want to pop in, what do you call these, blade plugs? You might want to pop in a blade plug, and then you'll screw this blade retention screw in for that as well. And well, that's the main components of a lightsaber hilt, main terminology you'll need. These are also some grooves, and what's nice on this model in particular, you could add something like this O-ring into the grooves, just, you know, for to make it look a little cool. Yeah, see, if you put a whole bunch of these in there, that might look kind of neat. Anyway, that is our introduction to just some very basic lightsaber terminology that you'll need to know as you get into this really exciting hobby.